So today we are in this quaint little village called Kongthong. It's tucked away in the East Khasi hills of Meghalaya.
It's surrounded by the beautiful mountains. It's a unique place for me so far.
In Kongthong, I could see the curiosity in the eyes of the kids.
In Kongthong village, we have this unique tradition which we call in Khasi Ka Jingrwai Ïawbei. This is like a song's name. So a mother composes her tunes for her newborn baby, and these tunes remains as long as we live. And when we are grown up, we use in our day-to-day life as a mode of communication.
Can I know what's his name?
This practice has been started since the inception of the village. It seems like the nature, the environment inspired our people, our mothers to compose the tunes.
It was something which was fairly unique. I don't think I've ever come through a village or any other place that really has such unique practice. You know, these melodies were just music to ears.
I believe that Kongthong is very happiest village, because if everybody are not happy, I do believe that there will be no tunes.
I hope that this practice sort of gets passed on to generations ahead, and it's really not about having a melody in your name, but something which is much deeper in terms of the connections that you share.
The strength that mother's love has and the care it has, that it has become a culture which is being followed from so many generations. They can't explain their love. That's why I think probably they have the melody as their love.